Hi, today I will show you how you can connect your CRM chat with HubSpot using Zapier. Pros for using Zapier. It's very flexible. You can do pretty much whatever you want. Cons. It's pretty complicated. It will take some time to create your first Zaps, but as soon as you finish with them, you can invite your entire team to your workspace and everyone will use the same Zap. So it should be done only once for your entire team. First, I'll show you how to create a Zap that will pull contacts and deals from Telegram to HubSpot. So, quick demo how it will work. I'm creating a new contact in CRM chat. The contact created. Now I'm opening my HubSpot and refresh the screen. And you can see I have George Levin, my Telegram, my bio information sent to HubSpot. Now let me show you how it works with deals. So I will send this project at X group chat. I will send it to the projects folder, which is already synced with my CRM chat account. Let me open my CRM chat so you will see that, this project X group was sent to CRM chat and it will be sent here to my HubSpot as a deal. If I open it, here you will see I also created, I used this deal description property to send the link to the Telegram group. So if I open this link, you see opens Project X group. So let me show you how this Zap looks like. Let's start with the trigger. So the trigger here is contact or chat created. This is the trigger within CRM chat. So it means that as soon as contact or chat or group, to be specific, is created, then the next step, we split two different paths. The first path works when type, this is our default property, type, exactly matches contact. So it means that if you create a contact, then what happens then? Action event, create a contact in HubSpot. Let's click configure and I'll show you what properties we use here. First, contact information, bio. So how it works? It means that in HubSpot there is a context property called bio. This one, it's not default one. I think I just created it on HubSpot, called it bio. And in this property, we send description, which is our default properties name for description of the contact. So we mapped HubSpot's property bio with the CRM chat property description. What it did, it sent this bio information in HubSpot. I also customized this contact board a little bit, so I removed all unnecessary columns and selected only name, Telegram handle, bio. I also show you how to change other properties in the next part of the video. So let's get back to Zapier. I updated contact information. What else I updated here? First name. So For the first name, I mapped first name from HubSpot with name from CRMchat, and this is it. So I didn't use any other properties. Then let's check another branch. In this branch, the filter works this way. If type exactly matches group, so it means that this one will work only for groups, then create a deal. Action event in HubSpot is create deal. And let's check what do we send in HubSpot. Name of the deal is mapped with name of the group in CRMchat, and also I am sending the link to the group. What property do I use in HubSpot? Yeah, deal information. Here I just mapped deal information property on HubSpot with the Telegram link property in CRMchat. So what it does, let's get back again to the deals. First, it fills out the name of the deal, and second, it fills out this link to the group. What's next? Now let's assume we want to update our contact, and I created a separate Zap for updating contacts. First, before we start here, I'll show you quickly how to create properties in CRMchat. So you go to settings, custom properties, and here I created a property called partnership with 4 different types of partnership. I also created the same property partnership on HubSpot with the same types of partnership: VC, community, marketing, and builder. Now let's find George Levin contact, and let's update partnership to community. So here, within a few seconds, this partnership will be updated as well. So let's refresh the page. Yeah, and we can see community here. Now let's check how this Zap looks. First step is we use as a trigger contact or chat updated in CRMchat. Then we use filter, the same idea. The type should match contact because it will work only for contacts. Then we use another step called find contact in HubSpot. Here we need to show how we map property from CRMchat to property on HubSpot. So first search property name in HubSpot is contact information, Telegram. I'll show you 1 second. So here I created this property. I called it Telegram just for keeping Telegram handles. And I want to use this property to search for Telegram username from CRMchat. So first search property name. This is in HubSpot. And I selected property Telegram, a custom property that I built on HubSpot. And next, first search property value. This is the value from CRMchat. Here I selected Telegram username. So this is how we search for the contact in HubSpot. Then after we find this relevant contact, we should select this action event update contact in HubSpot. And as an object ID, we just need to pass the object ID from the previous step. So here you select find contact in HubSpot step, and you will see ID here. So this is This is it in terms of understanding which contact we wanted to change. And now we need to show what exactly we want to change in this contact. And I'm changing only one property called partnership. So it should be somewhere here. Yeah. Contact information, partnership. This is how it's called in HubSpot. Don't forget, when you map the property, you need to click here and select custom. Then you click plus and search for the property you want to map in CRMchat. So this is it. Finally, I'll show you how to update deals. And to do it, I'll show you, one second. I will show you how to change the deal stage in a way that it will be reflected on HubSpot. So let's open this project as X group, which was transformed into project X deal on HubSpot. And here I have status, which represents the stage in CRMchat. Let me change the view from the list to pipeline. I will open full screen. This is my project X deal, and I will move it to conversation. Now it should be moved in HubSpot. Yeah, you see, it's here in the same stage. And finally, I'll show you how to create this Zap. This one, unfortunately, is a little bit more complicated, but again, if you repeat everything step by step, it will be not so hard. So the trigger event again is contact or chat updated. Then we use same idea. We use the filter, type exactly matches group. Then we use find deal step. First search property name is deal name. This is HubSpot property. And first search property value is name. This is CRMchat property. Now we need to add an extra step called formatter by Zapier. So why do we need to do this? Let me show you quickly. If I open my pipeline on HubSpot and I go to stages here, you will see that every stage, if you click this icon, has its internal ID. And unfortunately, for stages specifically, HubSpot is looking them not by the name, like lead or proposal or conversation, but by this internal ID. So we need to add an extra step to map names from CRMchat with this internal IDs on HubSpot. So how it works here in the first selection, you select lookup table. Then your lookup key will be status or any other property, but here I use status, which keeps the names of stages in CRMchat. And these three names on the left, they are stages in CRMchat. Let me show you. I open settings, custom properties, status, and you see lead, conversation, proposal. These three IDs on the right, again, you just copy paste them from here. Click here and copy paste this internal ID number. After you mapped all the stages from CRMchat with stages from HubSpot, you click continue, And here you need to select action event update deal on HubSpot. Then you go to configuration and you pass this object ID, from this tab, this one, find deal in HubSpot. You'll see ID here. And you pass deal stage from the previous step, which did this mapping. It's called output. I'll show you. So here, output. You just click output. And this is it. You don't change anything else. Here you just click continue and it works. I know it can be too much. We are building native HubSpot integration and hopefully it will be live in Q1 this year, 2025. But for now you can use Zapier. Again, it gives you crazy flexibility. You can do anything you want here. But I understand that it's time consuming, especially when you do it first time. Anyway, if you have any questions, if you need any support with creating your Zaps, reach out to us and we'll help you to figure out all the problems with this integration. Thank you. Bye.